Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Ramona A. Talay. I'm 43 years old. I'm separated. I have two children, 2 boys. My father's name, Conrado M. Talay. My mother's name, Crisanta A. Talay. I have siblings, 2 boys and 2 girls. I'm living in Bay Laguna, Philippines. I'm a high school graduate. I work in Saudi Arabia as domestic helper. I serve 4 family members, 2 adults and 2 children. My duties is I can take care of the children, I'm cooking the food, I'm cleaning the house, ironing, laundry, car washing, washing dishes, and I can take care of the pets and plants. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn high salary to support my family here in the Philippines. I will follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.